Yo, what's up? Just getting my radar and I'm in the Warung Santorini in Jalan Popis. This is actually Lane Bedugul between Jalan Popis 1 and Jalan Popis 2. And today, first I will chill a little bit, having my beer, and then I will stroll around Jalan Popis 1, Jalan Popis 2, maybe a little bit on the Lane Bedugul to show you around how it looks the life. How is the situation in May 2021? Because we will see. Anyway, cheers to anyone who miss Popis Lane's vibes in Kuta. That's for you guys. Hello! Hello! So as you see, Warung Sampama is closed over here. Kids driving. This is the Gang Rota, Lane Bedugul, Gang Sorja, Gang Bedugul. It's complicated actually, but this place, this restaurant suit perfectly to this small streets. It's like really in Greece. Here there are some other Piccola Italia restaurant. Here is some local house, maybe guest house, I'm not sure. That's how it looks. The situation, statue, that's how it looks. Now I'm gonna back to the beginning of the Popis Lane 1, somewhere over there. Oh, here is the guy who is fixing the TVs, the old school. That's interesting. Hello. Alright, so here is Kuta townhouses. As you see, that's the apartment space, but seems not so busy. Also the mini mart here is closed. That's how does it look, the corner here. That's the apartments to rent, I think. I never stayed here. I don't know, maybe they are also the places for holidays, but definitely seems like you can stay long term here. This place looks so quiet. I don't know even if anyone are here somewhere inside. And spa. These places are just deserted. Many people recommended us this place to have a lunch and everything, but seems like it's just temporarily closed. This is the Victoria Place actually, and the sign of the Australian. And here is the Coco Mart, and the restaurant supposed to be here somewhere. Actually, I never been here, so I'm not sure where, but as you see, that literally doesn't look how it's open. It was open in the past times. As you see the area. To be honest, I got confused. Where is the Brazilian Aussie barbecue now? Anyway, this is the Havana Club Bali. Also doesn't look optimistic. This is Jalan Popis 1 for everyone who are familiar. But Havana Club, old phone. I wonder if it's still working. No, don't think so. Anyway, Havana Club. That's how it looks, the life in Jalan Popis 1 right now. To be honest, I first time stroll around. Decided today I will just strolling around, don't driving around, to show you better and feel better vibe. How does it look like now? But most of the places here, as you see on Jalan Popis 1, they are closed since the beginning of the, you know what, it's already more than 1 year and 2 months. And yeah, that's how it look like. Here is the La Wallon Hotel, nice statue, but I think all of here is closed. Can you hear and feel the vibe here? It's literally deserted. Check this out. And the sound's only on the wind and the chain somewhere. And this Cuban flag. It's really very strange feeling, folks, really. That's why I decided to stroll today, to show you, instead driving only. Because if I don't show you like this, standing and talking and moving around as nobody's coming, you will don't believe me. Okay, I just come back and I just realized the Brazilian Aussie barbecue place is next to the Kuta townhouses over here. And that's how it looks, the situation. I don't know even if I can go inside, because it seems like it's closed and I cannot see even single security here. But I will try to show you a little bit one more time. So that's how it looks, the place. WhatsApp only. It's totally no single person here, and I'm a little bit feel weird. This is the Brazilian Aussie barbecue place, and it's definitely not closed just for today because it's Monday. That's for sure not. It's just closed. Oh my god. To be honest, I was trespassing this place like a few times in the past year, and I just doesn't realize how this place looks now. Oh my god. This is the entrance to the parking underground. And this one. Can you hear the echo? Okay, I go to Poppi's too. I don't know. Anyway, for every folks who are interested about the Brazilian Aussie barbecue. So basically that's how it looks, the sign. And it's something from 2020. I think they do deliveries on it, or this is just the old sign and everything is closed. Guys, just arrived to the Jalan Poppi's Stew, and here's supposed to be the Bossman, very famous burgers place, tattoo shop #1, some other shop, another tattoo and everything. But the only one place that is open in Jalan Poppi's 1 is actually Santorini, and that's it. There at the front is VIP and Sky Garden, Legion Street, this area. But yeah, that's how it is. Tattoo shop. This is actually quite premium location on Jalan Poppi's too, but everything, literally everything, is closed. Only some local residents driving around. For example, this is the local house. Even Coco Mart is closed. This is a little bit like strolling around the garlic lane. Every Aussie people know about that. So basically this is like a boutique over here. Some shops, statue and stuff like this. And this is the family, local Balinese people living inside. Now I'm in the area of Beach Walk. Beach Walk is over there. I don't know why it's so bright. It's a little bit weather not so best. And that's the shopping stroll everywhere over here. As you see, normally supposed to be so many live and sellers asking you to buy something. However, right now it's totally zero. And this is so sad, because you could think, and after 1 year, more than 1 year, something will change, but it seems like it's changed, but unfortunately that in the wrong way. It's just definitely much more quiet, and as you see already, grass starting to growing on the, well, next to the shops and everything. So that means the buildings, they are just shopping strolls over here, they are just completely, I mean, abandoned. And some people here selling bakso, teas. So this is the gate to the Beach Walk, however it's closed. Yes, closed. How are you today? Everything is closed here. Yeah.
Close everything. How are you? Bye.
Yeah, how are you? Okay, but at least you have a bakso, right? Oh no, bakso is here.
And this is tipat tebu.
Tipat tahu. Oh, check this.
Like this, tofu, with tofu and with peanut sauce, like this.
Sauce.
And then with the egg, potato, and tofu.
So nice, my friend. I'm just shocked.
Hi, John. How are you, John?
How are you, Jimmy? Hey, I know Jimmy, you know. I go to school with you, remember? Hello, how are you? Hello. Yes, 1 second. Yeah, I just speak with these ladies first. This is the business of Krupuk. That's the nice Krupuk. Business between... What? Oh, thank you so much.
1,000.
Thank you so much. Only 1,000. I don't even... Smoke? Oh, this is like a, everything. This is local cigarettes. Local cigarettes, okay. International Marlboro. Alright, so that's how it looks, the life over here. Hello, how are you? Ice coffee. Oh, very nice.
Okay, rice. Okay, boss, rice.
Nasi, jingo. Nasi bungkus, what? Oh, hello, how are you?
I selling rice, I selling water.
But I think you're selling only kerupuk nasi. Who buy the?
Because you know, before I selling bag.
When did you last time sell any bag here? Last year.
Last year I sell bag. Last year I'm not sell. I'm not open. I'm closed last year. Now because my money already finished, and then I open like a rice, coffee.
Good luck with your business, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Well,
me bad business, you know.
I believe so. I believe so. But at least you sell water, no bags. But did you sell? No, but honestly, did you sell any bag this year?
No, never.
Before Corona?
Yeah, before Corona.
Yeah, but after Corona?
Zero.
Oh my God. Okay.
I'm just selling rice now.
And your friends next door also already go home, yeah?
All people close, you know.
Yeah. Okay. Good luck with everything, yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I hope tourists come again to Bali.
I hope so too.
Yeah,
I hope
you
so
know,
too.
If tourists not come to Bali, I'm dead is here.
What?
I'm dead in here. If tourists not come to Bali,
Don't,
I'm dead.
please don't say like that, yeah? But I know.
My money from tourists, my money from you, darling.
Yeah, I know. I know. I hope so. I tell to the people, yeah, on YouTube to come. But they, you know, but they wish to come, but they can't, you know. It's not about as they don't want. They want. Many people wanna come, but they can't, you know. That's sad. Okay. Anyway, take care, guys.
Thank you. See you. Bye.
Take care. Okay, lovely people from around the world. The situation looks how it is. This is the comprehensive review of Jalan Popis 1, Jalan Popis 2. I just showing you how it is. Basically, everything is closed except one or maybe two restaurants, bars, and they are these people, as you saw, how is it? They are just open there because the people who are working in the mall, they are just trespassing. I mean, they selling their food, the nasi, like takeaway bunkus, nasi bunkus, or some cigarettes even or something, because obviously it's cheaper from these people from the street than inside the mall. And that's few people only doing some business, and after that everything is closed. Also, this lady make me a little bit sad what she said. As you hear that, I don't know, some flies here. No people, but flies still. Anyway, okay, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow is another day. If somebody complains, I showing two sad things today, I'm so sorry. However, I show you how it is. Tomorrow will be something better. See you tomorrow, 4 p.m. See ya, take care.